unwrap it, which I can do. So it's always satisfying when you take off the wrapping for the first time, but in this, alright, we're going to take off the wrapping, and that is not as satisfying as I thought it would, but who the frick cares? Oh. So let's go get our Switch. Alright. Got our Switch. Let's take it out. Hard to hold the camera and take out the Switch at the same time because I have nothing to set up a camera angle. So let's put it down here, put our case away. Or let's put, you know what, yeah, the case is all right here. Ooh, so we have a in-game design. So we have a case design, which is pretty cool. Like, ooh. Never played a Splatoon game, so I'm actually excited to put it in our Switch. Take out Smash. Now let's turn the Switch on. Oh. There we go. We got our Switch. Now, let's put it in. There it is. Splatoon 3. So, let's see.
Every time I kick them out, it's like they find a way to get back in.
Okay, it's updating. So, I will see you guys when it... Oh. Nintendo, are you trolling? Alright, guys. It is literally almost done. 99%. Wish the tablet will... Ooh. Preparing software. Oh my god. My first Splatoon game. Okay, since we're doing this, I'm gonna do it over. Okay, so let me go get the Pro Controller. I'm starting. Splatfest region settings. Splatfest are special events where players are split into team and battle out. Each region has its own Splatfest, including content and event times. Please choose what region Splatfest would you be a part of. Huh. That's super interesting. Okay. Ooh, playing Splatfest. The Americans, Australia lose G. Oh, wait. I wanted to see what options I had. And see if I can play in like a better region, like, you know. Okay, Splatfest. So, B? Oh, A. I'm blind. Like, I am literally blind. Yeah. I'm using I am using the reflection as a face cam. Oh, dang. What the heck? Oh, choose a style. Where's... Yeah. Okay. Alright.
Yeah.
Alright. Hold on. Wait, what? Oh, get me over. Woo!
Look, pay attention. I see.
Oh, before the crater. Oh, tilt up. No, it's motion control? No, it's motion control base. Aim for the little small flea buddy. What do you mean? Guys, I might be blind. Can I move? Oh! Face forward to the press Y to move with L. Okay, that's simple. Dang, it's motion control base. Okay. Y is the reset camera. Move. And then you can go into your little swimming squid form. It's a gun, okay. Well, at least I can splat with this. Oh. But it's motion controls. I can't do this. Guys, can I change this? Let me jump. Let me jump. You can't even... okay, I can swim up walls, yeah, but how? Game? Can I even aim up there? Can I? Oh, wait a second. I think I'm about to do a big brain play. If I make it out of ink... Oh! I get it. Yeah, that was smart. So, I swim faster while in ink. When everything is all inked up. Oh, so I wonder how Turf War is going to be like, so... I suck at aiming, because I can't do motion controls. Yup. So you have to ink everything up. I'm assuming. Oh, it hurts me. So the colors also hurt me. That makes all the sense. Yeah, that makes sense. In the Splatoon universe, it makes sense. Oh, bomb. Ooh, that's quite okay. Need that wall to swim on. Okay. I'm slowly understanding, like I did with Warzone. I just started Warzone and I'm slowly starting to understand it. Guys, I'm finally playing more other Battle Royale games besides Fortnite. Okay.